Microgreens are a type of edible plant that are harvested when they are still young and tender. These tiny greens pack a nutritional punch that has made them increasingly popular in recent years. In this video, we'll explore what microgreens are and why they are so nutritious. Microgreens are essentially baby plants harvested when they are just a few weeks old. They are grown from a variety of different vegetable, herb, and microgreen seeds. Some popular types of microgreens include arugula, kale, broccoli, and radish. Despite their small size, microgreens are loaded with nutrients including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. In fact, research has shown that some microgreens can contain up to 40 times more nutrients than their fully grown counterparts. Because microgreens are so nutrient-dense, adding them to your diet is a great way to boost your overall nutrition. They can be used in a variety of different ways, such as adding them to salads, sandwiches, smoothies, and even as a garnish for main dishes. In conclusion, microgreens are a tiny but mighty addition to any diet. They are packed with nutrition and can be used in a variety of delicious ways. So why not give them a try and see how they can benefit your health?